we're reserving the Tesla Roadster, $250,000 Founders Edition, and we're going for a test drive tonight. So here we go. I'm covering my credit card number so everyone doesn't get it.
I can't see that.
And reserve. Woo! Decline. Oh no. Good.
There you go, reserve. Done.
Let's do it. Yeah. Me and Eric just put deposits down on the Tesla Roadster. 8.25 miles, 250 miles an hour, and we get a test ride tonight.
Tonight! Right there! Credit card bill.
Roadster!
Credit card bill.
Next generation.
Roadster! Everyone here's got a Roadster? What's that? Everyone here for money down for Roadster? We got it right here, baby. Right there.
Right here, right here.
Wow, look at all these people putting the money down for the Roadster. It's crazy. They better go charge that freaking car in your eyes.
Selling 1,000 Founders Edition.
I know, you Founders?
I don't know yet. Until my wife says when I get home.
Inside? Yeah. I'm gonna sell some Bitcoin.
Billy, you're all set.
Perfect.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Yeah, absolutely. Enjoy, Billy.
Thank you.
All right, so here's my ride coming. Tesla Roadster. Yep. Thank you. All right, I'm about to get a ride in the new Tesla Roadster. Here it is. Check it out.
All right.
How you doing, buddy? Drive time. You heard of that?
Yeah, hi. That's awesome.
Oh man.
This is an experience you've never had.
I don't think I will. This
My
is
man's
a
wearing a
experience.
drag racing shirt. I have a feeling he's accelerating
Drag
quickly.
times.
Drag time. So you know about drag racing. You know about going fast.
So tell me about it.
It's going to be pretty amazing. First of all,
Okay.
my name's Emil.
I'm Brooks.
I'm
Nice
Brooks.
to meet you too.
Brooks, put your seatbelt on, brother, and then we'll get going.
All right, hold on. All right, so I'm here with Emil. He's gonna give me a test drive in the new Tesla Roadster. What is this, 0 to 60 and what?
0 to 60. We're going to do actually 0 to 70.
0 to 70.
But in the process, we will
Okay.
get to 60 in less than 2 seconds.
In less than 2 seconds.
Keep in mind, this car has been doing this all night, and we'll
Yeah.
continue to do it all night.
Wow. All right, hold on one second. Let me turn on my app that I want on here.
So you're gonna give us our official 0 to 60, yeah?
I would like to. Give me a
That's
second to boot it up.
awesome. Yeah,
Hold on one second, okay? All right, initializing. Hold on one second.
Initializing. So I have to be a standstill.
When are you gonna do the stop?
Right up there. Yep.
Okay, let me know when you're ready first. Okay.
So like I said, 0 to 70.
Okay.
So doing, we'll obviously hit 60. And if we go a little faster than 70, I'll
Okay.
just pretend
So you're gonna do it right up there?
Yep, right,
Okay.
right where that car is staging. We'll wait for them to get all the
So
way
when
down.
you stop, let me know and I'll press this button on here, okay?
Copy that.
All right, perfect. What is this, mile an hour?
It's a mile an hour. Yep.
Okay.
You got to read out there.
Everything works in this car?
Not everything. So the G meter, the little line's the G meter. It's not functional yet.
All right.
Some of the systems here aren't functional yet.
Okay.
But what you will see on the screen when we take off, if we're at full power,
Okay.
we'll go Plaid. We'll go Plaid.
Oh, that's gonna go Plaid. So
That's
it's
gonna
called
go
Plaid
Plaid,
mode.
yeah, Plaid.
All right. So we're doing Plaid mode in the Tesla Roadster, and look what we're about to see right here. It's all lit up for us.
Ludicrous mode.
Ludicrous mode. This is
next level.
This is
stuff.
next level stuff.
Next
Plaid
level
mode.
Plaid.
We're right. We're almost ready.
You ready, brother?
All right. Hold on a second. Let me know when you stop.
I'm ready.
Okay, and then I'm gonna press this button here. Okay.
Tell me when.
All right. You ready to go now?
Yeah,
All right,
yeah,
hold on.
we're
Wait,
ready.
wait. Stop. I'm doing a complete stop. And let's
Ready?
go. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Jesus! Oh boy!
81.
That's crazy!
Like that.
I'm serious?
Stop it. I'm gonna tell you, it never gets old. Never gets
Wow! And it spun the tires too!
old. Oh,
That's-
what track did you go on?
Honestly, I didn't think I noticed the difference in my P100D.
Oh, come on.
No, I honestly didn't think I would notice the difference.
There's a reason this one's called Plaid.
Oh my goodness. That's crazy! Oh, I'm so glad I put my money down in this car. Wow! Right here? Oh, jeez! One more time.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
one
Keep in mind they're monitoring everything.
Are they
I'm
really?
doing.
All right. Well, I appreciate the extra
Live,
boost.
yeah, well, I'll get in trouble. It's his
Jeez.
fault, by the way, guys. Pretty
That's
impressive,
crazy.
right? Yeah.
That's really impressive.
And again, this car's gonna do this all night long.
And you've been doing it all night long.
Yeah.
That
That's
really
gonna get
pushed
replicate
my
that.
head back. This is no joke, guys. This car is
It's amazing.
crazy.
It's amazing.
Oh my God, that's just unbelievable.
Not because I'm wearing a Tesla shirt today. It's just amazing.
Oh man, I got my drag time shirt on. You see me racing the cars versus Tesla all the time?
Do you really?
Yeah, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, that's
Oh,
me.
yeah,
I do
I
all that
have seen
stuff.
those,
Yeah. Wow. Thank you very much. That's incredible.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Phenomenal.
Great.
That was.
Well, what's the time according to that?
Oh, let me. I got.
They gave it to you.
How do I look at
Oh,
it? No, it's there. It's doing it again. I'll have to go look at the logs.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, pal.
All right, buddy.
Take care.
Wow. No, I got it. Thank you. All right, so there you go. That's unbelievable. I really didn't think it would be that much faster. It's ridiculous. Really, no. I'm telling you. Crazy. That's unbelievable. It's the real deal.
It's the real deal?
Very nuts.
The real deal,
It's
huh?
crazy, honestly.
Yeah?
Threw me back in the seat, spun the tires, and just freaking went.
No way.
I didn't think it would feel faster than the P100D.
It is?
Oh, yeah.
Like, way.
No comparison. Wow.
Amazing.
You get a, oh, yeah, no, it's
Hey,
not
they
line.
poured it for you. You got the numbers. You got the
Oh,
numbers.
yeah, you gotta look at it,
Oh, there you go. I'm looking for
It felt, I got thrown back in the seat, I had trouble holding it.
Oh, look at You broke nothing. You didn't do it.
I did do it, it's like there. Oh, it's there.
Dude, I'm still shaking.
What did you think?
That is the most ridiculous thing you're
Unbelievable, right?
Unbelievable.
You spin? Spin?
A little bit.
Mine chirped a little bit and it kind of went, right? Yeah, unbelievable. Did he stab it again on the way back?
A little bit, but he was trying to whip it.
Oh, was he? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty incredible.
Epic.
What did you think of the ride?
I looked like an idiot in the video. I looked like an idiot in the video. It was amazing. It was like the greatest ride of my life. I did the deposit for $5 grand.
I did too, right here.
And I'm like, I'll just pay the $5 grand and then I won't do anything. Now I'm like, I gotta think about it.
Okay,
I might
right.
want this
You
thing.
have a Tesla now?
I have a Model X.
X?
Yeah, the 100D, and then I had the Model S before the P85.
Okay, gotcha.
So I love the Teslas, but I might need to get this. That was amazing. That was amazing.
I have the P100D. This feels faster.
Oh yeah.
And the McLaren.
You have a McLaren?
I got the 720S.
And this is faster than that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no doubt.
It was so worth the money. Elon Musk is incredible. I shook his hand tonight.
Did you really? You were up
Yeah.
right there? You got
Shook
there?
his hand.
Oh man,
It
lucky
was like
you.
the greatest night ever.
I didn't get in here fast enough. I saw that happen. And then they got rushed off by security.
We got in line like an hour before. I'm like, I'm gonna get right by the gate. I sat by the bushes the whole time.
I didn't even know that was possible.
Yeah.
Next time.
That was good.
All right. All right, so this is after 2 hours. The line is still long of people who ordered the Roadster and getting rides. This is the line after 2 hours of everyone ordering the Roadster. All the way back here. All right, that's a wrap. Tesla Roadster. Ordered here in 3 years. Can't wait for it to get here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.